Hey guys, if you are looking for best gimbal for smartphone, you choice right video. Today we going to review top 5 best gimbal for smartphone. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on our personal preference and based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at Insta360 Flow Gimbal Stabilizer. The Insta360 Flow is a striking gimbal that looks a little different to any of the others. It's an exceptionally clever design that manages to be the most compact on the market, whilst somehow cramming in a tripod, extension rod, and great battery life. Despite how impressive the design is, it's the software that really won us over. Insta360 has used its 360 camera expertise to craft the best software experience of the bunch, with the most advanced AI tracking that we've tested to date. No matter what type of content you're creating, we think the Insta360 Flow is likely the best choice. It's the most portable, has the best software features, and comes at a reasonable price. At number 2, iSteady MT2 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer. The iSteady MT2 is a gimbal like no other, for 2 main reasons. Firstly, it works with mirrorless and action cameras up to 1.2 kilograms in weight, so if you want to shoot with something other than your smartphone, you can do so with the same gimbal. Secondly, the MT2 has an ingenious standalone AI tracking module. This means that it can follow a subject's movement without the need for a smartphone app, and the tracking will work no matter what camera is attached. It's an extremely versatile gimbal, and it's one of our favorites, but it should be noted that it's not for everyone. The wide compatibility means that there's a fair bit of setup involved, and if you don't like the idea of rebalancing your gimbal every time you shoot, you might want to look elsewhere. Now number 3, Zhiyun Smooth 5S Gimbal Stabilizer. The Zhiyun Smooth 5S is a bit of an outlier in this list, but it's still one of our favorite smartphone gimbals. It forgoes compactness completely, with a design that's more in line with a professional mirrorless camera gimbal than anything that's designed for mobile phones. What you get in return for the bulkiness is unmatched stability, superb ergonomics, and tactile physical controls. If you're more interested in creating feature film style tracking shots than filming yourself for a vlog, then this is the one to look at. It's not perfect, the app experience is unnecessarily complicated, subject tracking isn't too reliable, and it takes a little while to set up, but if you want the utmost smoothness and configurability, you'll definitely want to check out the Smooth 5S. Now our next choice is DJI Osmo Mobile 6 Gimbal Stabilizer. DJI's Osmo mobile gimbals were, until recently, pretty much unrivaled as easy-to-use, portable and feature-packed gimbals for the average consumer. And the best of the bunch is the Osmo Mobile 6. If the Insta360 Flow didn't come along and one-up it for the same price, it could easily be at the top of our list, and it certainly served as a large source of inspiration for that product. However, while the Insta360 Flow bests it in a few areas, the Osmo Mobile 6 still has advantages of its own. Crucially, the joystick is analog, so you have more granular control over the gimbal's movements, but we also think the construction feels a bit hardier, too. And our last product is DJI Osmo Mobile SE Intelligent Gimbal. The cheaper sibling of the Osmo Mobile 6 loses out on a couple of features. Still, it also has a significantly larger battery pack, which will net you around 8 hours of runtime on a charge, and that could make it more appealing to some users. What's missing from this model is the extension rod, the quick launch feature, and the side wheel. Otherwise, you get all the same tracking and stabilization functionality as the Osmo Mobile 6, but you can save a chunk of change in the process. If you know that you're not going to need these features, we definitely recommend checking out the Osmo Mobile SE. It's without a doubt one of the best budget options we've come across. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.